Hi, I'm Professor Stephanie, and in this video we're going to take this shape that is a square with a pointed roof, and we're going to create a multi-view drawing of it so we can better understand how each shape connects to the other. What I started with here is a grid. I started with 1.5 inch shape by 1.5 inch shape. That's going to be our top, and that's the shape of the dimensions of the rectangular shape. This is also 1.5 inches and 1.5 inches, plus the extra top, and the extra top shape is 3/4 inch. And you can see one of the key ingredients is this on the top of where we're going to create our front side. I have created a 90-degree angle line, and I'm going to match the top line here of the box to this point right there and bring it down, and all of these lines are going to help me with this side shape. So I've created a grid that has the basic box shape. So let's think about what's happening right here on this top. If we were a bird flying by that shape, we would look down and we would see see the big X here, and I'm gonna, as you can see, I use my pencil to get started. That kind of helps me. We would see the edge all the way around. So here is the top view of this shape. Now I'm going to use some guidelines here because this is going to be what I'm going to use to show. Here's my corner to corner. Here's our top diamond shape. There's also a line across here. Here's our base, front. So again, I have used some guidelines to help me create each of these shapes that will relate to each other, and they are representing a one dimension of this three-dimensional box. Now here's the fun part here. I know I've already created this guideline straight across. It hit this diagonal. This diagonal is very important. Brought it down. So now I definitely have, oh, right across here, look what happens here, this rectangular shape. Now I want to get this shape to relate to here because this right here relates right there. I'm going to come across here, hit that diagonal, come down, and bam, look what I have there. So I am using that 90-degree angle to give me a guide to create the shape and how. Now the next shape is going to be the top. Where does this top fall? Let's create with our pencil a guide. Bam, I've got a couple lines going on there right there. Now I have a guide. I can go from dot to dot, and as you can see, I've created the 3 different views of that three-dimensional shape: the top, the front, and the side. And why this is an important drawing is that it very much helps you understand how each plane, what each plane looks like. And we call this a multi-view drawing, and you can do this also with more complicated drawings. Thank you.